Hi boys and girls. I'm going to do math for Wednesday, May 13th. Okay. We have been working with adding things together to make 5, like 2 fingers and 3 fingers make 5. And we've also been working with having 5 and adding more to it. So we're going to start out today with counting to 100 by ones, but I want to show you this. Do you know what that is? That is a quarter. 25 cents. 25. What happens when you have 25 and you add 5 more to it? Did you say 30? If you did, you're right. So when we're counting just by 5s and we get to 25, the next one we say after that, let's practice. 20, 25, 30. That's one way to figure out what 25 plus 5 more is. If you had to say 25 and then count on 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, that works too. But what we need to know is that a quarter is 25, 5 more is 30. So 30 is the number that we're going to start counting from, and we're going to count all the way to 100s. Today we're going to practice by ones because we haven't practiced that in a while, okay? So, and remember to do your jazz hands for every 10, double, and since we've been learning the 5 jazz hand, you can do that too. So we're going to start with 30. 1, 2, ready, go. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Phew! Counting to 100 is hard work. And we didn't even start at the beginning. Okay, so in your packet you have this page. It says fill it to 5, page 3 of 3. Really, it's just kind of a worksheet that went along after the game from yesterday. But since yesterday you had that game to do, we decided to separate the sheet and have you do that today. So at the top you will see that the problems all have a plus sign. The plus sign is the one that looks kind of like the T. Okay, and that means adding, putting 2 numbers together to get a bigger number. Subtraction, the sign looks just like that. And that means take away. Take 2 numbers and you'll get a number that's smaller, or at least smaller than the first number. Okay? So, I think the best way to practice this is if I just go through and do a couple of them with you, okay? So, start at the very top of your page, and your problem says, well, the directions say add or subtract, use counters, 10 frames, or draw pictures. Counters, we've used a few different things to help us count. Pennies, you could use those. Cubes, you could use those if you have them. Little pieces of paper, you could use those. Anything that beads, if you have beads, anything that you can count to help you. Or you also have your fingers, okay? The first one, this whole row, all has plus signs, so that means we're adding. We have 4 plus 1 is the first problem. 4 plus 1. Okay? So show me on your fingers 4 and 1 more. What do you get? 5. So on your paper, you'll just write the answer, 5. Okay? And you have 5 plus 0, 0 plus 5, 3 plus 2, 1 plus 4, 3 plus 3. Or 2 plus 3, sorry. Okay? You should be able to use your fingers, your hands for each of those. I recommend doing the top number on one hand, the bottom number on another hand, put them together. Okay, let's look at the bottom. That's a little more tricky. Solve each subtraction equation. Subtraction means take away, minus. We have, for the first one, 5 minus 0 equals. That's what it looks like on your page, 5 minus 0. So show me on your fingers, 5 minus 0. 0 means nothing, so you're not taking anything away. So how many do you still have? 5. So we have, start at the top, down, make a tummy, back up to make a hat. 5 take away 0 is 5. Good. So I'll write it on here just to get you started with the subtraction. Now, I'm going to do one more of these with you because subtraction's a little bit trickier than adding. Next, we have 5 take away 4. Okay? I'm going to write it on here. 5 take away 4 equals. Now, 5 is what we start with. So Miss Skinner's going to draw 5 circles. Okay, there's my 5 circles. It says to take away 4. So using these 5 circles, let's put X's on 4 of them. So 5 take away 4 left us with how many circles? 1. You could also use your hand. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you just put down 4. How many's left? 1. So there's a couple different ways you could do that. Okay? 5 take away 4 is 1. I'll write it on your page. So that's how you do the top, is adding, the bottom is subtracting like I just showed you. Down here it says challenge, add or subtract, so you need to look really carefully and figure out if you're adding or subtracting. And you down here are going to get a number that's bigger than 5 for all of them. You will get bigger numbers. Okay? So work on that page, do your best, and don't stress. When you're done on the back, start with 1, write as high as you can, and that is your math for today. Okay, good job, boys and girls. Putting the cap back on my marker. See you later.